Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Real's English News Bulletin. I'm Mohammad Inayatur Rahman. Let's start with the day's headlines. AICC Chief Sonia Gandhi addressed an election rally of the Congress Party held at Karimnagar on Wednesday. Former Chief Minister N. Kiran Kumar Reddy's political party, Jai Samyekya Party, is going to have an alliance with the CPM. AIMIM President Asaduddin Owaisi toured the various areas of Karwan constituency on foot. A person died in an accident that took place under the Bahadurpura PS limits. And TDP Minority Cell President Mr. Shehbaz Khan and his supporters have announced the joining in the MIM party. Now let's head for the news in detail. The AICC President Mrs. Sonia Gandhi addressed an election rally of the party at Karimnagar on Wednesday. It was Mrs. Gandhi's first rally in the Telangana region after the announcement of the carving out of a separate tea state. Mrs. Gandhi reached the Hakimpet airport and then went to Karimnagar to attend and address this rally. Mrs. Gandhi said that many political parties had tried hard to stop the formation of a tea state. However, she, in keeping in mind the aspirations and emotions of the people of Telangana, went ahead with the formation of the tea state, crossing all hurdles in place. She also told about the justice meted out to the people of Simandra. She also added that the success of the tea state was only possible at the hands of the Congress party. Mrs. Gandhi also promised of giving the Pranhita project of Telangana the status of a national project. Mr. Digvijay Singh, former Deputy CM Damodar Raj Narsimha, Telangana PCC head P. Lakshmaya and other Congress leaders were present on this occasion.
राज्य की मंजिल हासिल कर ली है। आप सब के लिए इससे बड़ी उपलब्धि और क्या हो सकती है। इसीलिए मैं आशा करती हूँ कि आप सीमांध्र के सभी भाई बहनों के साथ उदार दिल से दोस्ती का रिश्ता निभाएंगे और उन्हें कोई ठेस नहीं पहुँचाएंगे। आने वाली 30 अप्रैल को अपने राज्य के नए और उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए अपना एक एक वोट कांग्रेस पार्टी को दें। यह वोट तय करेगा कि तेलंगाना शांति, सामाजिक न्याय के साथ आर्थिक प्रगति और सभी के लिए सम्मान और तरक्की के रास्ते पर अपना सफर शुरू करेगा। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ आप सबको इस सभा में आने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। जय हिंद। और आप मेरे साथ जोर से बोलिए जय हिंद, और जोर से जय हिंद, जय हिंद। धन्यवाद।
The newly formed Jai Samyekya Party, headed by the former Chief Minister Mr. N. Kiran Kumar Reddy, is going to have an alliance with the CPM party. Mr. Reddy was speaking to the media representatives on Wednesday. He told that the CPM had also tried to keep the state united, hence he had decided on an alliance with the party. He said that his party would support the CPM party candidates in the Telangana region and some seats would be left for the party in the Simandra region. He again insisted that the welfare of the Telugu people lay in the United State of Andhra Pradesh.
ఖచ్చితంగా రాష్ట్ర అసెంబ్లీకు పార్లమెంటుకు మళ్ళా సవరణలకు వచ్చి ఇక్కడ ఆమోదం జరిగితేనే రాష్ట్రాలు విభజన అనేది జరుగుతుందని నమ్ముతున్నాం. సో కోర్టు ద్వారా వచ్చినప్పుడు మనం అపీల్ చేసేది కూడా ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ కానీ అక్కడ కానీ రాష్ట్రం సమైక్యంగా ఉండాలి అని కోరుకునే వాళ్ళే మీరు ఎన్నుకోండి.
Barrister Asaduddin Owaisi toured the various areas of the Karwan Assembly constituency on foot. Mr. Owaisi, the AIMIM party candidate for the Hyderabad parliamentary seat, took part in the election campaign of the party's Karwan Assembly constituency candidate and took a padyatra of the area. Mr. Owaisi covered the areas of Sadat Nagar, Kumarwadi, Sajjad Colony, Chota Bazar, Rahim Function Hall, Dargah Lagan Shah, Afzal Colony and other areas. The people were seen giving a warm reception to Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi wherever he went.
नहीं नको ऐसा नको पानी की बहुत तकलीफ है पानी
देखो बेहतर ये है कि जो काम करने का है वो आप सामने रखना, ताकि आप मालूम होना कि हाँ ये हो रहा है, चुप पक मार के चलेगा तो अच्छा होता क्या। वो सब पूरे ड्रेनेज लाइन पड़ जा रही है, आप करें ड्रेनेज लाइन पूरी पड़ जा रही, अब ड्रेनेज का काम होगा अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। अब पानी के ऊपर तो पानी
आने के बाद
ड्रेनेज लाइन का काम होना हो रहा हो।
आप आइए आपको बताते कैसे है, एक गाड़ी आज तक आई नहीं है, गाड़ी में आते ही
लाइट की तकलीफ, ये दो तकलीफ बहुत ज्यादा है, पूरा इसको इंशाल्लाह हल करेंगे।
बोरिंग बना के जाते 2 दिन में बोरिंग हाथ दे देती थी बना लो
टाँकी का
नहीं है, क्या पिएंगे क्या खाएंगे,
पीछे पे चला देंगे।
TDP Minority Cell President Mr. Shehbaz Khan and his supporters have decided to join the Majlis-e-Ittihad al-Muslimin. An announcement was made by Mr. Khan. In a function organized at a function hall on Wednesday, Mr. Shehbaz Khan made an announcement to this effect. Mr. Khan has made this decision after being saddened by the TDP's decision of an alliance with the Bharatiya Janata Party. He also made an appeal to the AIMIM Supremo to make him a part of the party. He also appealed to the general public to vote for the MIM party in these elections.
जनाब सोहेल साहब जो ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सेक्रेटरी थे मलकपेट से, वो इस्तीफ़ा नहीं दिए थे, वो लोग भी आज इस्तीफ़ा दे दिए और हमने वर्कर्स की एक मीटिंग तलब की जिसमें तमाम पार्टियों पर में शामिल होने के बारे में गौर किया गया, जैसे कि कांग्रेस, YSR कांग्रेस, TRS। लेकिन हम ये नतीजे पे पहुँचे, अवाम का यही इसरार था कि हम मजलिस-ए-इत्तेहाद अल-मुस्लिमीन की तायीद करें, क्योंकि हमारे साथ कुछ हिंदू भाई भी थे जो है SC सेल के स्टेट सेक्रेटरी दुर्गेश साहब भी जो हमारे साथ इस्तीफ़ा दिए थे। इसीलिए 2 धड़ों में बढ़ते हुए तेलुगु देशम पार्टी के तमाम मुसलमान जो है मजलिस-ए-इत्तेहाद अल-मुस्लिमीन में शामिल हुए और जो हमारे हिंदू भाई हैं वो वहाँ पर दुर्गेश साहब जो है आपके वहाँ से जो है नामपल्ली से दुर्गेश साहब की तायीद कर रहे। तो लिहाजा हमने आज अपनी मर्ज़ी से अपने इजलास को तलब करते हुए बैरिस्टर असदुद्दीन अवैसी साहब की क़ियादत को कबूल करते हुए और जनाब अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी साहब जो मजलिस के फ्लोर लीडर हैं, उनकी वलवला अंगेज़ तकरीरों से मुतासिर होकर और मजलिस ने जो मुसलमानों के लिए काम किया, हम उससे मुतासिर होकर हमने जो है मजलिस को एक सेक्युलर जमात करार देते हैं।
One person was killed in an accident that took place in the Bahadurpura police station limits. According to details, 31-year-old Anand Kumar, a resident of Shamshabad, was going on his motorcycle opposite to the zoo park when a car hit him. The Bahadurpura police immediately called and alerted the 108 ambulance, but the man died while being shifted to the hospital. The police arrested the car driver and a case was registered. The body was shifted to the hospital for the post-mortem. Now let's have a look into the world of sports. From football, scarves donated by football clubs across the world were laid out in the centre circle at Anfield, forming the shape of number 96. Prize money at the French Open will rise to more than 25 million euros this year. From the world of golf, Bubba Watson closed with a final round 69 to finish at 8 under par for the tournament and win the coveted 78 Masters for the second time by 3 shots. And from the world of racing, world champions Red Bull has sought to overturn the stripping of Di Ricciardo's second place in Melbourne for breaking fuel flow regulations. Now let's have a look into the world of entertainment. Bollywood filmmaker Madhur Bhandakar on Wednesday supported BJP PM candidate Narendra Modi and called him a visionary leader. Suzanne Roshan has launched the first fashion academy in Mumbai. From the 61st National Film Awards, Jolly LLB has won the best Hindi film, while Bhag Milkha Bhag has won the best popular Hindi film. Writer Salim Khan has launched Modi's website in Urdu, and the Jal movie wins the National Award for the best special effects. Now let's see how the stock markets performed today. The Sensex closed at 22277.23, that is a fall of 0.92%, while the Nifty closed at 6675.30, a fall of 0.086%. Now let's have a look at the gold and silver rates for Hyderabad. For 1 kg silver, the price would be 42,272. For 22 carat 10 gram gold, the price would be 27,920 rupees, and the price for 24 carat 10 gram gold would be 29,860 rupees. Now let's have a look at the weather forecast for tomorrow. Hyderabad would be at a minimum of 26 degrees Celsius and at a maximum of 42 degrees Celsius, while Karimnagar would be at a minimum of 27 degrees Celsius and at a maximum of 42 degrees Celsius. Mehbubnagar would be at a minimum of 26 degrees Celsius and at a max of 39 degrees Celsius, while Nizamabad would be at a low of 26 degrees Celsius and at a high of 41 degrees Celsius. Zahirabad would be at a minimum of 25 degrees Celsius and at a max of 39 degrees Celsius. Let's have a look at the headlines again before we wrap up the day's edition. AICC Chief Sonia Gandhi addressed an election rally of the Congress Party held at Karimnagar on Wednesday. Former Chief Minister N. Kiran Kumar Reddy's political party, Jai Samyakya Party, is going to have an alliance with the CPM. AIMIM President Asaduddin Owaisi toured the various areas of Karwan constituency on foot. A person died in an accident that took place under the Bahadurpura PS limits. And TDP Minority Cell President Mr. Shehbaz Khan and his supporters have announced the joining in the MIM party. This wraps up the day's edition. From me and the whole team here. Thanks for watching.